Are you new to 3D printing and looking for some tips? Well, you're in the right place. 3D printing can seem daunting at first, with a whole host of new terms, techniques, and tools to learn. But don't worry, we've all been there. We've all faced the same challenges, made the same mistakes, and learned from them. And that's what we're here for today, to share the lessons we've learned and help you navigate this exciting new world. So let's dive into the top 5 tips for 3D printing beginners. Tip number 1, always check your slicer settings. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how often it's overlooked. Ensuring the correct printer, nozzle size, and print plate is selected is crucial to the success of your print. I've personally learned this the hard way, from prints failing to adhere to the bed to the wrong scale, all because of a minor oversight in the slicer settings. Remember, a small mistake in the slicer settings can cost you a lot of time and resources. Tip number 2, use a textured PEI plate. What's so special about it, you ask? Well, a textured PEI plate offers superior adhesion for your prints. It's like a steadfast friend that ensures your print stays in place no matter the size or complexity. Plus, it simplifies the process of removing the print once it's done. No more wrestling with the print job, folks. Just let it cool down, and it'll pop right off. A textured PEI plate can make a huge difference in your printing experience. Tips number 3 and 4. Select the right filament and clean your build plate regularly. Moving on to the third tip, it's crucial to select the right filament for your project. The Bamboo Lab with AMS offers a handy feature, the Synchronize button. When you press this button, the system ensures that you're slicing with the filament currently loaded in your printer. This not only helps you avoid mix-ups, but also ensures you have the correct colors selected for your design. The fourth tip is about regular maintenance of your build plate. A clean build plate is the foundation for successful printing. Accumulated debris or residue can interfere with the adhesion of your print, leading to warping or displacement. Regular cleaning helps ensure your prints stick without issues, resulting in higher quality outcomes. In summary, choosing the right filament aligned with your printer's settings and maintaining a clean build plate can significantly improve your print quality. And finally, tip number 5, stay calm and have fun. It's important to remember that 3D printing is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself. Keep in mind that there's a wide and supportive community of 3D printing enthusiasts out there, ready to help you navigate any challenge that comes your way. Even when mistakes happen, they're not setbacks. They're stepping stones to mastering this craft. Remember, every mistake is a learning opportunity. Stay calm, enjoy the process, and you'll soon master 3D printing.